Alright, we have the Dyson version 11 Animal Plus. So this is actually the newest model of the Dyson family, and this is my first Dyson vacuum cleaner. So I'm kind of excited about it. So I figure I'd do a little unboxing. You know how I do. This is not an unboxing channel, nor is it a vacuum channel. But when I get something cool, I gotta share it with the world. And maybe you're out there looking for a Dyson. So if you are looking for a Dyson, yes, the Dyson version 11 is currently 2020, the newest Dyson they have. Real quick, before I open this, if you don't know, some things I've researched online that you might want to know is, this is a whole self-contained system. The suction is very powerful. All the dust particles, all the different things that come into your vacuum don't get put into the air. It catches 99.9% of all the air particles. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google or YouTube why you should stop buying cheap vacuum cleaners. There's a vacuum channel that did an eye-opening video for me, and I was just like, what? Oh my goodness, all this time I've been vacuuming and smelling, the carpet and just, seeing a lot of particles in the air and not realizing that's not how vacuums should work. If you go buy a $30 vacuum from Walmart, you're gonna get a different quality than a Dyson. But anyway, here it is. So here's the unboxing of the Dyson. We got here, activate your warranty. Definitely gonna do that. We got some paperwork. I guess some different paperwork, actual Dyson official card, ID number on the back. And let's see what comes in the Dyson. Whatever this thing is, we'll find out. We got our hose here. I'm gonna lay this down. Okay, now let's see what else is in there. So we got this piece here. I guess this is the stick that attaches to it, whatever you want to call it. We got a hose here. Some of the other attachments that come with it. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, this is the actual bristles. Now I've heard a lot of good thing about these. They're really good at picking up hair. It's like detangling. If you have those cheap vacuums, you always have to deal with like pulling the hair out and dealing with detangling. Supposedly with the Dyson, you won't have to deal with that. And supposedly this thing is like, the suction level is very, very high. So I'm excited about that. What else do we got? We got some more pieces here. Wow. Some more different attachments. I don't know what all these attachments do yet. We'll find out. Like I said, this is mainly just the unboxing. Maybe down the road, I'll do a full review of a vacuum. If you're interested, let me know. Leave a comment below. With the version 11 Animal Plus, this battery is a lot bigger than the older one, and this container is a lot bigger. And supposedly they've said that it's a lot easier to dump the way it's set up now. Oh yeah, just like that. So there you go, and you want to dump it, boom. There you go. Oh, it's got a little charge out the box. So here's a little reader. As you can see, the battery is very low, or just not fully charged. You got eco mode, which is low. You got auto. Oops. And then you got boost. There you go. I like that there's a little charge out of the box. I'm probably going to definitely charge it up for a little bit before I use it, as you always should with electronics. We got some more cool stuff here. Probably some, oh, okay, this is probably the mount that you put on the wall to actually charge it, charging station. Since we are going to be moving soon, we're not going to install that yet. Let's see if I can put this together real quickly. Let's see. There's that. That was pretty simple. All right, let's go up here. There you go. Done. Fully assembled. That's done. This is done. And it's done. Yep. That's it. So anyway, that's the Dyson version 11 Animal Plus. Yeah. I'll let you know how this goes.